let's proceed to number 1. So find dy over dx and simplify the result whenever possible. So for number 1, y is equals to 3 raised to the power 4x. So take note that if we differentiate with a base of constant, so it is in the form au. So the derivative of that one is just equals to au. So d over dx au ln of a. So du over dx. So it is in the form exponential function. So and let's not forget this rule right here, b ln a raised to b is equals to b ln a. So it is vice versa. So let's proceed to number 1. So we are tasked to find its first derivative, so we'll differentiate both sides to its first derivative. So y prime is equals to, so a here is the constant, so a is equals to 3 and u is equals to 4x. So we have au, so 3 raised to 4 u, so u is equals to 4x. So ln, so a is equals to 3, so d over dx is derivative of 4x is just equals to 4. So y prime is equals to 3 raised to power 4x, so 4 ln of 3. So we have y prime is equals to, so 3 raised to power 4x, so 4 ln of 3, so it is in the form like this. So we'll convert this 4 ln 3, so 4 ln 3 into like this, so ln 3 raised to 4. So we have ln 3 raised to 4. So we have y prime is equals to 3 raised to 4x, so ln, so 3 raised to 4, so by using calculator we have 3 raised to 4 is equals to 81. So this will be now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. Y prime is equals to 3 raised to 4x times ln of 81. So our answer here is correct. So y prime is equals to 3 raised to 4x times ln of 81. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.